Morning. Right, we are okay. Now we're live. Jeez, freaking mic is not working. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, hold on. What's going on? We are live. Market is going up, it's going down. What do we got here? Looks like the market's gonna come down to this area down here. It could be a good chance to take a short. I think I missed it. I'm a little bit too late. Anyways, I have not checked news, so I'll probably need to. Because I think it usually comes at the top of the hour, 9 o'clock. Let's make sure that we check it. I'm waiting for a payout to be processed or the funds to be taken out of the account that I'm requesting a payout from. So I'm not going to be trading that account. No top of the hour news. Oh boy. Anyways, look like markets getting some bad movements. I mean, not bad, not really good either. Either way, I think that was the short. Take a look at what ES is doing. ES is kind of following the same suit. It's kind of bouncing here a little bit. Some rejection. We're right at. We're hanging up with VWAP. We're under it though. We have been selling basically all night. 18, yeah. I went up and down, but kind of more so in a downtrend than we are uptrend. Take a look at the daily chart. We're coming back down, so there's a good chance we retest levels down here at 24,400s. Now it could take a couple of days. We don't know, but either way, I'm not trying to. We're not trying to capture the whole pile. We're just trying to get in, get what we can, and just get out. You know what I mean? Alright. Oh, we opened up this prematurely. What the heck? It's like a couple seconds early. So rejection off VWAP. I think the bulls are going to try to push back through here. So if they get above VWAP, good chance that they're going to try to rush it back up here. Really chopping more than anything. So 8:30, we opened up straight down. I mean, if we had this level, good chance we can move back up. So something like this, where the bulls are taking over the VWAP. Yep, there we go. The bulls are moving back up. So this was just more so a squeeze out and then rush it back to the top. Typical bulls. But Friday, is this going to be a choppy Friday? Is that what's going to happen? I mean, I say it wasn't the best movement, but I mean, well, at least we're getting 50 points on Nasdaq. That's good in a single candlestick, because you don't want to see less than that. I think the bulls, as long as they close above VWAP, good chance they can still try to push up, but bears are really trying to come through to push down. This wick though, on the 5-minute chart, to the downside, not really appetizing. I mean, it's going both ways, up and down with this whole moving jazz and whatnot. We are now at the 2-minute mark, so I think the ball's got this. It's need to be patient here. we go. Closed above VWAP. So now that they're closed above here, I think the bulls have a good chance to retake these highs up here. Taking a gander at this here, we have a pivot point way up here, basically 25,000 level. I mean, it's with the way Nasdaq has been moving lately. I mean, I don't doubt it won't happen, but now that we are above VWAP, let's see if Nasdaq can hold up here. A hard sell. I think if the bears really wanted to take control of this should not have recovered at all, and this move right here should have kept going down. Now, this is not financial advice. This is just me kind of thinking by myself. Again, we're hanging out, chopping at VWAP. ES is following suit as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take a long here, see if we can just grab 10 points to the upside. Ooh, looks like that might have been premature, but let's see what happens here. Let's just be patient with it. There we go. Man, talk about close call. I about got taken out of there. But worked out in my favor. Looking to see that kind of just bounce off of VWAP, kind of reject it a little bit. Squeeze out all of the any of the bears that are trying to come in short here. So nice little $200 on this evaluation account. Like I said, if you weren't here from the beginning of the stream, I have a payout on the way, but the funds have not been deducted from the account, so I'm not touching that account. So decided to just hop on over to this evaluation, just start a new one, try to get more funded accounts. It has been down for me, if I could say anything. Trading has been tough, but definitely blessed. I think this is gonna be my second payout of the year, so not quite as much as I wanted, but you know what? I'm not gonna complain. At this point, I'm just grateful for anything that I get, and that's just the way that it's gonna be. Sorry, I'm kind of focused on something else, but we got that little dub, just a little base hit. Not really, can't be mad about that. That's a whole chop fest. We're back below VWAP now. It's definitely not a trendy day, I tell you what. It's gonna look like it's gonna be a choppy day, so might be good to play the ranges. Now we kind of just wait. Again, I'm looking to scalp this, get a piece of the pie. Give me a couple pieces of the pie, and I'll be happy. If y'all are wondering, I don't have my camera. I'm kind of just too lazy to go get one. The one that I did have, the USB port, I smashed it like a moron because I was tossing it around like it was. I was just negligent, okay? We'll say that much. What a recovery. Recovered it again. Might be another opportunity to get a quick scalp in here. Something like this. Taking long here. Squeeze out some of the bears. And then we go right back up to VWAP. We are, how much time do we have left? We have about 20 seconds before the new candle opens up. Let's get the bulls to push through here again. Squeeze out some of the bears. There we go. I've been trading this, so I know what's been happening. It looks like it's going down, but as soon as we're about to open up a new candle, it just rushes back up. So we are up $400 on this evaluation. Not bad, not bad, dare I say. Yep, there it happens. I've I've seen that too many times. Learn from my lesson. That wick gonna get covered. Nice easy 10-point play there. Could have gotten more, but I didn't want to be greedy with it. Just wanted to take my base hits with this. And it's a Friday too, so I really don't want to end up red or blow its account because I just opened it up. So let's not be a moron and try to play the smash or pass like y'all seen in my last stream. Ultimately, now the goal is just to let him. Oh, look at that. Yep. Like I said, balls were coming through. Now, I'm not saying that I am some kind of great trader, okay? I am not. I'm just saying that I've seen what I've seen and I will play to what I can play. Listen, highs. It might be one of the days where we don't even normally go pivot to pivot, but really ranges you're going to be expecting are down here. We might just be playing within this whole range today. I mean, anything can happen, but past couple, this whole week has been pretty trendy. I mean, yesterday was just full on sell, market recovered and everything, and then shot right back down. While I wait for the next setup, I'm gonna go practice my Swedish. I gotta continue my streak on my Duolingo. Can't lose it. I'm at 1,175. You know? Oh no. Made a wrong move. Now approaching the highs. Last time we came here, we rejected. Will the bulls have enough strength to close it above 28, 24,850? They close it above here. Good chance they come back up to take 24,950 and then 25,000 is in sight. Could be a good chance for it to chill on up here. Maybe squeeze out some of the bulls up here and then kind of just teeter its way back down. But that doesn't have to happen. Anything can happen. That's what I love about trading is that you can always contradict yourself and be right. I wonder if my funds will be deducted though. I don't think I'm gonna trade it. I'll be honest. The same thing happened last Friday, and guess what? I blew a funded account. So I think if I get it around noon, I'm not gonna even touch my funded account. If I get the funds taken out, we can wait till next week. Chilling here. Do we form a leg here? Kind of a pullback. Squeeze up. push the 24,900s. Let's take a look at ES and what ES is doing. ES is kind of doing the same thing as well. So, no, we're just kind of chilling. Take what we can, kind of move from there. The last thing I want to see here is just completely give it up. I mean, 5 minutes not looking too hot, but 3 minutes looking good. We hold this level, we're above VWAP, so we hold. I think as long as we hold this 24, 760 area, maybe 60, 80 this level right here, good chance for it to move on back up. Ooh, coming right back down. Back to VWAP. Are we gonna hold this level? Bulls and the Bears fighting. Like it's the. No, I'm not gonna even go sing that song. I don't want to get copyrighted on this stream. I want to play some music, kind of add some groove to it, but it's hard to find music nowadays. Everything's freaking copyrighted and royalty, so I just gotta sit here in pure silence. It's a tough market, fellas, ladies, if you're watching. Either way, look at that, 2 trades I took in the same spot. Identical trades. How crazy is that? All right, so we lost that, so Bulls are obviously not in the game. Chop chop, invalidated. Now you might be wondering, well, hey, you said if it held this level, why didn't you go in? You're right. I didn't go in because the setup didn't come. There was no consolidation. What I wanted to see was something like this. These little candles in this spot right here. That would have validated my thesis, right? But this is pushing down a little bit too much. A good chance it still holds, right? As long as we come back up here and close. But this, you don't want to be. I don't want to get stopped out and then it go my way. I've had it happen a couple of times. So be patient. If this was just a fake breakout to the downside, let it do its thing. Let it squeeze out everybody's stops and close back up here. Kind of form maybe a doji, and then we kind of come back down, then go up. But right now, not looking good. So do we get a close? Not a good close. We are still technically a higher low. Going with just the market trend from basically 42, 842 to now. So this could be the setup to go back up. There we go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Easy 10 points right there. Saw that we had some weakness. So I just wanted to get in for the quick party. 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 Anyways, it's 9:19. I mean, we've only been streaming for about 22 minutes, but I'm 600 on this account. I could try to push it up, but I think I'm good. I want to end a green. This week has been pretty stressful for trading, so you know what? I think it's good to call it here and just go enjoy my Friday. 600 first day on this valuation. Not bad. Yeah, I say anyways, if you tuned in, appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. I really am trying to go live more often, so you don't want to miss the